So in this video I'm going to show you how to make alarm clock with display monitor we're using ESP8266. Here's the crystal display 16 by 16 LCD display and a 7 segment 4 digit display that is anode type, and here's the buzzer and definitely a 8266 MCU board. Now connecting to the power source, you can see here the connecting, it says connecting, means it is connecting to my Wi-Fi. Now when it connected, it should show the time like 7:34 in my and display welcome to ESP log something. So you can change the display rating writing on the display. You can check the time is same and accurate. Now here's the web server of the clock. So you can change anything like fact, written fact, or set alarm, or you can also turn on and off backlight using the backlight off and on button. Backlight is the green LCD backlight. You can see the backlight is on, and if I turn on black backlight, it flashes. And now you can also program like your alarm clock when to buzz or when to beep. Now I would guide you to how to code this whole thing. Just connect it through the USB cable and open Arduino Uno software. Here you can see the code. I already uploaded on GitHub. I will provide you the link. And here's my Wi-Fi name. You should just change these two things, Wi-Fi name and password, and nothing to worry about. And just hit on upload button. Just change those two things only and hit on upload button using this ESP 12E or something you have, and select the ports. According to mine, there is a COM14 port. So a Wi-Fi connected here successful, and the IP is given. So you should copy the IP, copy this IP and paste it in the Chrome browser so you can access the web server. Copy, and you should see all the things, all the functions of the alarm clock in the web server, and you can write anything and just send fact and backlight turn on and off. So that's how it works. I think you would like the video.